Hello guys, this is Hard Reset, and this guide assumes you already signed into your account. Make sure you're logged in or some steps may not work as expected. So, your Notion causing issues. If your pages aren't loading, blocks aren't syncing, or data isn't saving properly, try the steps to resolve the problem. First of all, try to restart the Notion app. And go back. The second step is recheck your permissions. Let's go to the settings, apps, Notion, and permissions. As you can see, I allowed all permissions. So go back to Notion. And the third step is the reinstall the app. Let's go to the Play Store, search for Notion, uninstall, and install it again. So now the application is installed, and if it didn't help you, the last two steps you can do is check your internet connection, and if it's good, it's working, stabilize, and if it's working, and if it's good, it works properly, try to reboot your phone. And I hope it will help you. And I hope it helps you. Thank you so much, and see you in the next video.